Here's something for us to do tonight. So it says, Public Art, Abu Dhabi Biennial. We are right about here-ish, and there is a lot of art right here at the Madinat Zayed Shopping Center. Maybe I'll wait for after dark to get there. And then over at the Cultural Foundation, there is another big set of artwork, and all along the Corniche and behind as well. Let's get to it. I'm freshly showered, feeling good. Let's get out to that Art Biennial, Abu Dhabi. Before we get there, you know it's time to play again. Elevator lottery. Which one will it be? I lose. 15 flights downstairs. Here we go again. Eight. Hello, gentlemen. Hello. How are you?
Yes, sir.
Doing very well.
Thank you.
It's looking really good.
Yeah.
You've made good progress. Oh my goodness, it's a lot though, huh?
Already?
Huh?
You look only this one?
Yeah, I went up and down, up and down. I love taking the stairs.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good for your health. Thank you very much. I think I have to get out on the second floor to avoid having to go down through back of the house again. So here we go. Let's find out how to get out without the stairs. Spot. Go down to ground floor for exit distribution. Oh, let's see. I thought there was another way. God, complicate my life. There we go. Oh, what did I get into? I think I've gotten into the offices. Yeah, I'm in the offices. They don't want me here. Maybe I can use the alternate elevator? Let's try. Oh, these look fine. I don't need a key card. Ground floor. Alright. I've mostly completed the challenge again. Oh, going up? I don't know where I am. Back outside the Millennium, downtown. Here we are. Here's a good opportunity. Here's a place called Mercado. So, they gotta have some bubble bath in there. Let's go see. Do you have a bubble bath?
Bubble?
Bubble bath. To take a bath and make big bubbles. You think you have it? You have every soap possible. You have every soap here. You must.
Normal for maybe it's not for bath. We have so shower gel.
Everything.
Bath soap.
But no bubble bath.
No.
You must have it.
Special for
No.
not done.
Makes extra bubbles. I'll keep looking. Maybe I'll look in there. I'll ask. No luck in Mercado. So let's try next door. KM Trading Company. Well, that's weird. Awkward.
You know about public art already?
Yeah, I've heard about it.
Okay, this is downtown area, so I'll show you what we have in downtown.
Us. Do you see that in
Art.
Arabic after the
Yeah.
Ah,
mosque?
okay, Umdars.
Wow,
Beside
I
that.
think
I
I
don't
can
know
read
Arabic.
Arabic. That's good.
That's why I told you beside the mosque.
Show
those
ya.
writings there. Show
Oh,
ya,
you
okay.
understand Arabic?
Show you.
Oh my god.
So there's Azal Kubesi. This art will be
This one.
over there beside the
The courtyard.
Reflection on a surface.
Yes.
Yes, I'll show you the picture.
I like it.
Yeah, right?
Keep it simple. So now I'll see all of these, but they're not inside the mall. They're more
No, they're not
around.
inside, they're just
Scattered
around.
around Madinat.
Even
Perfect.
we still have like further ahead, like 2 signals from here. There's one more interspecies assembly. Superflex.
Yeah.
Capital
It's a
Garden.
capital garden.
I might have
You
seen
might have
it.
seen
I
it.
might have seen it up.
Okay.
If I looked up, I saw it.
There's one on the top of
This
the
one?
Burger King.
Yeah.
This is the one you saw.
I love
This
it. Art on top
shortcut.
of Burger King.
Yes.
Yeah.
Deep spaces. Take pictures, take videos, and
Thank you
then-
for your information. Is it okay if you want? You want to
It's
do you
perfectly
want to say
fine.
hi to my family and
Hello.
and
Hi.
Hello.
the channel?
Yes.
Tuuyu.
What's your channel?
Tuuyu.
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 Okay,
So
we
good
get
day
to
to
see
you.
you then.
I bring
Alright.
art to you. I bring culture to you. I bring
Oh,
luxury
okay,
to
to
you.
you like that. Now
yeah,
I
just like
understand
that.
it.
Yeah.
Okay,
To you, you.
So what's your good name?
David, and you?
David, nice to meet you. Nike.
Nike.
N-I-K.
N-I-K. Nice to
Alright,
meet you.
take
And
care.
I see you have a mask on, so I'll fist bump. Still, you're being safe. That's good. All right.
All right.
Thank you
Enjoy
so
the
much.
rest of the evening.
Nice to meet you
Thank
both.
you.
Thank you
Bye.
for guiding me through this. I really appreciate it. Bye now.
Welcome.
Hey, cool. So, Azal Kobasi, born in Abu Dhabi, lives and works in Abu Dhabi. This piece of artwork is called My Courtyard. You know what's interesting to see? Parked cars and the fish market. Fish and vegetables. So let's go inside, see if there's anybody selling on a Sunday evening. It's pretty busy in here. Lots of fresh veg all over the place. Very busy. Hello, sir. And, ooh, my favorite shop of all. Look at that. Green, 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 green. And over here, the fish market. Shall I try the fish? There's a lot of dry fish that you can buy too. Anything you could want. What a good shop. What's your name, sir?
Samir.
Samir.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing me your shop. I appreciate it. Hopefully people will come visit you and buy lots of dried fish. Thank you, sir. You notice, just from that quick little interaction with Samir, people are super extra friendly in this city. Out here in the middle of the lights, the sights, the sounds, the hustle and bustle of this major metropolis is a piece of artwork. Can you spot it? This major intersection, you might see the world within. That's by the artist, Nathan Coley. I see the world within as you pass it. What's the world without? Suddenly quite hungry. All of this walking around looking for public art installations has brought up the hunger. But my good friends at Google have told me that there is a mixed grill around the corner, just to the left here. And when I hear mixed grill, I think substantial. Let's go see if that's true in this case. Mirache Grill. Upon the waiter's recommendation, looks like we're having, let's see, this delicious chicken thing, spicy tandoori rice, and for a drink, a red rush. Sauces, spices, all of that has got to go into my stomach. That looks spicy. Looks good. Yeah. Tell you what, that chicken hit the spot. Very spicy. Not sure where exactly to go on this art tour. Take a look. Looks like I'm somewhere in this area. I think. Yeah. And I need to go here to start. So I'll walk down a ways. I need to walk a ways after dinner. That was a big dinner. That was a lot of chicken. Oh my god. Here we go. Let's go on a little walk. 1A, 2, 1B, 3, 4. Work our way through this exhibition. At least these green ones today. We'll see.